Hello guys, welcome to this session. I have two of my topmost educators with me, Abhilasha Swaroop ma'am and Sagar Thakkar sir. So the three of us are here to announce and to basically have a small discussion on two of the most happening and important topics in the CAT category right now. So the first topic of discussion that we are going to speak on is a batch which is targeted specifically for CAT 2020 aspirants, and it is named as Mission CAT 2020. So Abhilasha ma'am, so we'd like to start with you. What are your insights and what are your roles in this batch? If you could just tell our viewers.
Hi everyone. Hi Abhishek. Hi Sagar. So this batch is a very interesting batch in the sense that you have so many of Unacademy's top educators coming together and taking courses in this. So my role is very specific to the VARC section. I'm going to be taking up two courses in this batch. So I'm going to be discussing reasoning based question types in my first course, and in my second course I'm going to be discussing para based questions as well as vocabulary in that course. So my first batch is launching on the 1st of May, and this is an evening batch, so classes will happen from 7 to 9. And so in this course, the one that's on reasoning, we'll be discussing logical deduction, we'll be discussing logical fallacies, we'll be discussing passage-based CR. So essentials of critical reasoning that are important not just for the reasoning section, but also for reading comprehension. So we'll look at that in this course. Now, the second course that I'm talking of, that is para-based reasoning plus vocabulary. In that, we're covering para jumbles, we are covering para summary, as well as we are covering para completion. Now, remember in CAT, these are three very important sections, because in the verbal ability section of CAT, if you separate the reading comprehension portion, the 10 questions that come from verbal ability, you will have para jumbles, you will have para summary, and you will have para completion. So in a sense, the 10 questions of VRC that are there apart from reading comprehension are all being covered in this course specifically. So again, this course is also happening in the evening hours, and 7 to 9 as the previous course, and this one launches on the 7th of May. So that's my courses that are happening on this batch.
Okay. So coming to Sagar sir, what are your roles and what are your insights on this Mission CAT 2020?
So in this course, I'll be taking your DI parts out of the LRDI section, which will be starting on the 27th of April, and its timing will be 12 to 2 p.m. It's a 2-hour course daily. So I'll be taking 16 hours of lectures in this, in which I'll be covering DI from basics to advanced, including PYQs as well. So first in DI will be going with the how ये data हम लोग कैसे interpret करते हैं, हम लोग कोई भी चीज दे रखी हो, for example हमारे ग्राफ दे रखे हो, tables दे रखे हो या कैसलेट्स दे रखे हो, हम लोग उसमें से डेटा इंटरप्रेट कैसे करते हैं, बेसिक्स क्या होता है. So first we'll go with the basic, we'll start with the zero, and then first we'll go with the bar graphs, then we'll go with the pie charts, followed by the XY charts as well, and then the remaining two topics are tables and cascades. And at the end of that, we're going to go for the combinations of graphs. That in various 3 types of different graphs, तो कंबाइन करके अगर क्वेश्चन आता है, जैसे कि एक सेट दे रखा है हमको 5 क्वेश्चन का, तो 5 क्वेश्चन के सेट में हमको 2 ग्राफ्स दे रखे हैं, एक दे रखा है हमको पाई चार्ट और एक दे रखा है हमको XY चार्ट, डिफरेंट एनालिसिस दे रखे हैं, पॉइंट ऑफ व्यूज दे रखे हैं. सो उसके वजह से 2 ग्राफ्स को कंबाइन करके हमको 5 क्वेश्चन के सेट कैसे बनते हैं, 4 कैसे बनते हैं. दिस इज द hot favorite topic of the examiner that examiner every time asks. Okay. At the end of the course, we are going to see some PYQs as well for every topic. So this is what I am going to teach.
Okay. So viewers, I think you must have heard from the verbal section and also from the data interpretation and LRDI section. So the reason why the three of us are here, giving this announcement and having this discussion is because this batch or this course Mission CAT 2020 is gonna start from tomorrow. So from the 18th of April from 9:30 p.m. this course is gonna be launched, and it is gonna be started with Ankur sir's class. Ankur sir was unable to join us today. Anyways, so the how does this course or how is this batch differentiated from the other batches or other courses on Unacademy, if I would like to say, is the catalyst part. So what is the Catalyst part that we have included is the full length tests. So how much important do you think tests are at this moment, Sagar sir?
So tests are very important at this moment, because we know that from if you're not counting April is almost over, right? So
Yes,
we have
absolutely.
only 6 months to go, approximately 6 months to go. Because छह महीने हमारे पास CAT examination के लिए. 6 महीने में basically if we're starting from the zero, then we need to cover our full syllabus. तो फुल सिलेबस हमको सिर्फ सिलेबस कवर करना मतलब नहीं है, राइट? हमको अगर देखा जाए तो एनालिसिस के बेसिस पे हमको एग्जाम के अंदर 2 मिनट मिलते हैं एक क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने के लिए. तो स्टार्टिंग में अगर हम जीरो स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं तो वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू कवर कि हम लोग 2 मिनट में क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर लें. प्रैक्टिकली इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल इन द बिगनिंग. सो विल बी स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम कि हमको तो टाइम लग रहा है, वी आर रिड्यूसिंग द टाइम, वी आर रिड्यूसिंग द टाइम, वी आर रिड्यूसिंग द टाइम. अब ये टाइम का रिडक्शन कब होगा? सिर्फ टाइम रिडक्शन नहीं है, प्रेशर भी है वहां पे. सो ये टाइम रिडक्शन एंड प्रेशर हैंडलिंग कब होगा? when you are going to give the tests, when you are going to give the full length tests. So this is what full length test will have.
Okay, so coming to verbal section, I mean verbal section, Abhilasha ma'am, it has been, it is in fact the nightmare of most of the students. Because average students, the students who are come from mediocre towns, so उनके लिए जो होता है ना, verbal ability, reading comprehension is a nightmare. In fact, it was the same for me. So how much important do you think these tests are for such kind of average or mediocre level students?
See, Abhishek, from all the years that I've been teaching, I have realized one thing, that you can learn everything and yet you can fail in the exam because you haven't practiced enough. So if you're practicing something and you're practicing it on a very regular basis, not only do you understand where you're going right, but you also understand where you're going wrong. So now a lot of times what we do is we pick the right answers very easily, but we forget how to eliminate, or we forget how to see what are the wrong answers. Now, when you're writing a test and you're doing it regularly, what happens is that this habit becomes very ingrained in you. It becomes very inherent. You're able to see, okay, these are the reading comprehensions I will need to attempt. These are the ones that I should not be doing. These are the sitters in my exam. So I must do the parajumbers. I must do the odd ones out. So the picking of the right question then becomes very important. And this is all due to experiential learning. So the more you practice, the more conversant you become with choosing the right questions. Remember, it's not about doing all the questions. CAT never asked you to do all the questions. They say that if you do a decent number of questions, you will get a very good percentile.
Right.
So if you're in CAT, if you look at the VRC section, you're looking at some 65 to 70 marks to get a 99 plus percentile. Now to get a 65, 70, you need to do some 20, 25 odd questions. Right. Now 25 odd questions, you're still leaving a number of questions. So which are those questions, which is that RC that you will skip, and which is that question that you will pick? Now this happens very easily if you practice enough. And that is why if you take up this test series, what will happen is from right now, and not, see, generally everybody says start your test in July once you've done your syllabus. Right. But if you start now, you already start understanding the gaps in your preparation.
Absolutely.
And then you can take care of those gaps, and you can make sure that any area that is not done properly, that you feel that you need to improve on, then you can work on those areas also. So this is something that only a test can do for you. We can practice 100 questions in class, but because there is no pressure, you don't understand, did you pick the right question? So that will start happening once you start writing the test. And that's why this catalyst thing, that this test series is very important for anyone who's, preparing.
Right. So keeping this tests in mind, so because as you can, learn, as you can understand, that taking tests at this moment might be, not the right decision for many aspirants, but it will give you the level of preparation that you actually need. So keeping this in mind, Unacademy CAT has launched a new initiative which we call as All India Scholarship and Mentorship Program. So what happens is, under this test, so it will be a pan-India level test. So aspirants of all levels, maybe who are repeating, who are writing CAT 2020, maybe for the third or fourth time, or maybe who are willing to, like attempt CAT for the first time. So everybody is eligible and everybody will be writing this test. It will be an all India level test. So speaking about that, so I would like my educators to just explain my viewers what are the benefits, or what are the scholarships that an academy is offering after this test rank wise. So Abhilasham, I'm going with you if you.
Yeah, I'll quickly tell you about this. So this test is happening on the 26th of April, and it's happening from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. It's a live test. That means to be eligible for the scholarship, you have to write the test between this time. So you have to log on to the app, you have to start the test, and then you write the test in this 1 hour. Now this test is going to have 30 questions. So 10 questions from each of the sections, 10 from quantitative aptitude, 10 from LRDI, and 10 from verbal ability. Now,
Right.
Once you've written this test, you start getting your scores and your your rankings. Now, ranking wise, we are giving out 500 scholarships to the top 500 ranks.
Okay.
Now, ranks 51 to 500 get 1 month subscription on our CAT program.
CAT platform, right?
Ranks 26 to 50, ranks 26 to 50 get 3 months of prep in our CAT programs,
Wow.
right? Ranks 11 to 25 get 6 months of scholarship as the prize for their achievement. And of course, the top 10 ranks in the test will get 1 full year of preparation as part of their scholarship. So
Wow.
Imagine if you write this test and if you're able to, crack it, even if you get, let's say, the top 500, you're anywhere in the top 500, you're sorted. At least minimum of 1 month of preparation is sorted for you. And remember, we are going to be doing this hugely beautiful program right now. So if you take that scholarship, you can join our batch and make the best advantage of that. So you
Absolutely.
get minimum of that, and maximum you get 1 full year of preparation. So that means that you can go up to CAT 2020. Then you can write ZAT, you can write CMAT, you can write Mahaset. You can also do your GDPI prep with us. So that means your entire cycle for CAT 2020 is covered by us. If you're, yes, is covered, absolutely.
Okay.
So that's the scholarship.
So as I began with the name saying, it's an all India level scholarship test and mentorship program. So followed by the test on 26th, there will also be a mentorship program for the next 3 days, 27th, 28th, and 29th. So Sagar sir, if you could just throw some light on the mentorship program that we have to the viewers, it would really be good. So the mentorship program, it starts on 27th. Yeah, please proceed, sir.
So this mentorship program will be taken by Arun Sharma sir, Manoj Mahajan sir, and one more, I guess.
Praveen Tyagi sir.
Manoj Mahajan sir and Praveen Tyagi sir,
Yes,
and Praveen Tyagi sir. In this, they will be explaining the preparation strategy. Arun Sharma sir will be explaining the preparation strategy for this. Manoj Mahajan sir will be explaining you how to build your profile in the profile building section. And by Praveen Tyagi sir, it will be top B schools selection strategy. That strategy currently is the top B schools selection key. So these are the 3 sessions followed by the 3 days by the 3 top educators of the CAT category.
Right. So viewers, as you can understand, like why Unacademy is so much, adamant on getting you to those perfect scores, because we want the maximum 100 percentilers in CAT 2020. So we have the specifically launched batch Mission CAT 2020 that is going to start from tomorrow. And we have got included full-length test series. Apart from that, the all India level scholarship test that is going to be conducted on 26th. So you can actually test your mettle and your level of preparedness all India level with all the aspirants who are going to come. So not just that, once the test is done, once you get your percentiles, based on that, we'll also mentor you on how you can improve the preparation strategy by Arun Sharma sir, like Sagar sir had mentioned, on 27th of April, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. This will be followed by Manoj Mahajan sir's session on profile building on 28th of April, again 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Now, profile building is very important if you are aiming at top B schools of India. Now, how do you understand which are the top B schools of India? Well, Praveen Tyagi sir has got that covered, and he is taking a session on 29th of April, 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. So that's a complete package that all of you learners would get from Unacademy CAT. So, quickly summarizing and ending up the session. So, what will be the message that you would like to convey to the CAT 2020 aspirants? Sagar sir, starting with you.
The message that I would like to convey is, first of all, go for this AIR test, All India Level Test status. So you're going to get almost the precise ranking that you're going to get in the CAT, because we are going to get very good number of students appearing in this test. So first of all, you will come to know that on which level that you are standing, and amongst how many students that you're competing with. First, this is the benefit, and then after that, go with these three sessions and go with the scores. Mission CAT 2020. This is the final message for them.
Right. Coming to Abhilasha, ma'am, what would be your final, words to the CAT 2020 aspirants?
Anyone who's writing CAT 2020 hopes to get into the top B schools, the creme de la creme. That means the IIMS or Acceleri or FMS or IFT. Now, if you're looking at any of these B schools, remember you are testing yourself against the top students across the country. And if you're able to write this mock, this test, and if you're able to score those top 100% scores, or the top 100 ranks, then I'm sure that you know that you can make it. Even if you don't make the top 100 and you make it to the top 500, you still know that you've got it in you. And then it is just about, fine tuning those errors or fine tuning the problem areas. And of course, we've got it covered, because between Arun sir, Manoj sir, Praveen sir, they will tell you how to make sure that your profile, your testing is covered. And then with all us faculty members, all us educators, we will make sure that your preparation is absolutely covered so that you can achieve that 100 percentile.
Absolutely. That's what the name suggests, Mission CAT 2020. So all our viewers, to all our learners, let's just get together with all our educators and target towards the perfect score. Attend the All India Scholarship, get yourself a scholarship, and do not forget to get yourself mentored. So, well, with this, I would like to close the discussion, and I would like to end. So, thank you so much, educators, for spending your precious time, giving the knowledge to all our viewers, to all our learners. Thank you so much for your time. And thank you, viewers, for watching us. So that will be all for now. We'll be back soon with some more big surprises, with some more breaking news. So stay tuned. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.